If you are aiming for a career in robotics engineering, you've probably heard that high-level tools and AI are the future. But here's the hard truth that you need to know. If you want to build production-ready robots that work in the real world, C++ is non-optional. It is a non-negotiable requirement. Even with AI to help us generate code, knowing deep C++ is a mandatory skill for companies hiring today. And I don't expect this requirement to disappear anytime in the next years, because the more we use AI to build code, the more complex are those errors that AI produce. The problem with learning C++ is that many developers stop at basic syntax. They learn how to write simple functions and classes and how inheritance works, and then they think that they are ready. But robotics companies will test you heavily on your ability to manage threads, memory, smart pointers, or language expressions. Even with AI assistants, you need a deep understanding to make the right architectural decisions and ask the correct questions to the AI. In a high-stakes environment where a robot must react in milliseconds, relying on AI-generated good enough code without knowing what's happening under the hood, it's simply not enough. To master the industry standard, you need to go deep into modern C++. You need to understand the internals like smart pointers, inheritance, virtual functions, and multi-threading. A great way to start learning this is by taking our Advanced Modern C++ for Robotics course at the Construct. This course is specifically designed to bridge this gap. Then, complement this knowledge from the course by studying the book Effective Modern C++. Then you will learn how professionals, engineers handle errors and optimize memory. Then, put your skills into action by contributing to a ROS open source repo, solving the repo issues. This will give you the actual application of your skills into real-life projects. So, stop treating C++ as just another line on your resume and start treating it as your primary tool to be hired. Starting today, commit to use C++ for all your robotics projects, even if they can be done faster with Python. Mastering these deep C++ concepts is what separates junior hobbyists from senior engineers. And for that, you need to practice as much as possible, starting from today. So level up your C++ by building something and then show it into your portfolio. And if you want to know about how important is the portfolio for your hiring, check our previous video on this subject. And if you don't know how to start, check our Robotics Developers Masterclass program that provides you with all the knowledge, the project, and of course, a portfolio that you will need to enter into the robotics job market. Get ready fast with our structured program.